Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Beoplay E8 Sport. So let's starting. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your right earbud. So I'm just pressing, and as you can see I just play a song, and if I press again I will pause the song. Now if you press and hold on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. I guess I should play a song. So I'm just press and hold, and as you can see it increased the volume. If I press and hold on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. Here we go. Now if you press 2 times on your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, and I play next track. And if you press 2 times on your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2. Here we go. Now if you press, let's pause it. If you press 1 time on your left earbud, you will, give me a second please, I will show it to you. So it should connecting. If you press 1 time on your left earbud, you will enable transparency mode. So just here, my application didn't work, so sorry. And if you press again, you will disable transparency mode. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on your right or left earbud. So I'm just pressing and I will answer the call. Yeah, did I? Yes. And if you press 2 times right now, you will reject a call. And the last one, if someone called to you, you can reject a call by press and hold your left or right earbud. So I'm just press and hold. And as you can see, I just reject a call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!